Hey everyone! Today we're going to be taking a look at some fresh offerings from V Nives, available at knifecenter.com. V Nives is an American-owned and operated knife company located in Washington State, founded by Mike Vellekamp, who has 25 years of production knife making and design experience for legendary brands like Spyderco and Fox Knives. Now Vellekamp has brought his knowledge and expertise to this exciting brand that takes pride in their craftsmanship and attention to detail, which is evident at first glance by the boxes they ship in. Each is made of durable plastic and is waterproof, so you can use it for a number of different things other than storing knives. Included in the V Nives lineup are knives like the SFL Tanto, which is aimed squarely at the tactical EDC market in both application and appearance. The blade and frame lock come in a black finish, and you have the choice between a black or coyote snow G10 presentation scale that is contoured for comfort. The flipping action, riding on caged bearings, is fast and authoritative, while the lockup is tight as a drum. The Tanto-style blade is made from a very strong D2 tool steel and should be up for any task that you throw at it. It's the perfect size to bridge the gap between tactical knife and EDC tool, and the fit and finish is top-notch. If you're looking for style and performance, V Nives has options like the Poseidon. This is a robust everyday carry knife with a distinct sense of style and features that allow it to shine as a utility knife. It features a sheepsfoot blade made from 154 cm stainless steel with an adequate belly for slicing and a reinforced tip for stabbing. The titanium milled handles are sleek and eye-catching, and most importantly, the blade flicks open smoothly and crisply with minimal effort, and the lockup is nice and tight. It's one of V Nives' higher-end offerings with premium materials, yet it still provides you with great bang for your buck. For people looking for an EDC on a budget, V Nives has the Scuff. It features a 3-inch hollow ground stone-washed blade, black FRN handles with a great texturing for grip, a ball-bearing pivot for buttery smooth action, and a deep carry pocket clip. It's got inset stainless steel liners to keep the knife lightweight without sacrificing strength, which is engineering at its core. We can't think of another flipper with this level of action at this price point. Overall, V Nives is sure to have your next EDC knife in their lineup regardless of how deep your pockets are. These are manufactured all over the world with the sole purpose of providing their customers with the best value possible. Their tagline is human-made in America and other places on planet Earth to highlight the fact that a skilled craftsman built your knife. If you want to learn more about the V Nives, click the link in the description below, and if you have questions about these knives, please leave them in the comments. If you want to see more knife-related content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the original and largest online catalog of cutlery, knifecenter.com. Check back often for updates on any deals we might be running on the best knives and tools on the web.